Even my dad now is on the video here. So the truck is dead. There's a major battery problem with this frickin' Powerboost crap. So now I'm literally getting ready to fill an application to get rid of this damn truck and to get an F450. So the HOA doesn't come and throw this guy in jail for having his kid come down as usual and park too many vehicles in his driveway and get called out.
Hey, this is a new record. You haven't been here even 10 hours and you're buying a new vehicle already. That's a new record.
Yeah, it's a new record. So can we pull off? Can we pull off getting rid of the Powerboost? That's a suck the hell out of fuel and buy a nice F450. Can we pull it off today? Is that the next adventure on Ice Age TV? The craziness, but the truck's dead. I'm stuck. I have to get a tow truck to get this truck out of here. Then what am I going to tow my trailer with? My brothers have a truck. Yeah, right.